guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful wig. It is the Janet Collection Tamila or Tamila wig, so let's get right into it. I'm super excited, so let's get right into the hair. So this is the Janet Collection Natural Yaki Texture Natural Me Blowout Lace Wig. It says high definition and I have it in the style Tamila. So this is what it looks like on the model. Okay, so my audio cut out here, but I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Janet Collection for sending me this unit. And the color I have it in is DRFF1B/NSSN Kiss Brown. So dark root, whatever FF1B is, Sun Kiss Brown is the color that I have it in. So this one says it has special knotting on the back nape. It is deep part lace, is 100% hand tied on Swiss, and it is ear to ear soft Swiss lace. Now all the information on this unit, including the price and the direct link, will be down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. You can already see, nah, I'm about to be obsessed with this color because now, just so you guys know, it does come in a variety of other colors. There's like a golden brown color, there's a caramel brown, there's burgundy, there's dark chocolate, S1B 30, and then your 1B, and 2 colors. I feel like this wig is really about to do what needs to be done. Y'all, hold on, let me. Okay, wait, who's this? Who's this for? Because is this for me? Look at how pretty this color is. I would absolutely, and then the texture, it is really thick and very much giving blowout, and it has a nice little soft curl to it, nothing too crazy. The layers are nice. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm excited for this. Can run my fingers through it pretty easily. This is a pretty color. Okay, so if we look at the inside cap construction, no free parting, obviously you're locked into one spot there, and then you've got 2 combs here at the front, and then there is a comb at the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So just to slide it on. Okay, honestly, it's the color for me. It's the color for me, honestly. Like, I just need to hook up the hairline a little bit. Honestly, I'm not gonna do too much to it because it's synthetic, so I'm not gonna invest that much time into it, but I am gonna give it some baby hairs. But wow, and normally I'm a middle part kind of girl, but it's the color for me. This is so pretty and the texture is gorgeous. Okay guys, what I'm getting ready to do is I'm gonna cut the lace and like put this on my head properly and fix the baby hairs, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put the hair on. I just gave it like a little something. It's really pretty and I love the color. I think I need to take a flat iron to it though, because it's so full for me. Not to say like I don't like thick hair, I do. It's just a lot of hair and it's very thick, like, and it's very pretty and I like it. I especially love the color. Like, did you see? Whoop. Okay, like very pretty. I had to tighten these straps, the adjustable straps, a lot. So based off that, I don't have a large head, I would say, but I don't have a small head either, like probably average size. So I would say it's probably, at the very least, big head friendly. I don't know if I would say it's extremely big head friendly or not, but even now it's still like pretty loose on me, even though I've got the straps like crisscrossed. So probably big head friendly, but I don't think I have a big head, so I couldn't really say. I love the color, but I don't like being locked into one parting space. Like, I want this color on another wig where I can have a middle part or like free part, because then maybe I would move it like over a little bit. I like it, I do. As far as shedding goes, I haven't noticed too much shedding outside of when I cut the lace, and the lace was fairly easy to cut. But yeah, I don't know, it's something about the whole, like, you know, the what's her face from Powerpuff Girls look. Like it's just I do like it though. It is very pretty. It's just not very me, I guess I would say. But she's cute. She's a cute girl. And we have to give her props. Very soft. I haven't really noticed like any tangling like that. Like I said, as far as the shedding goes, I haven't noticed any outside of the, I'm looking on the floor to see if I had to see any hair. I haven't noticed any outside of cutting the lace. The color is beautiful. It's layered right. The hair is soft. The wig itself is comfortable. It is more than likely big head friendly. So other than that, like it's totally definitely a buy. Like this wig is gorgeous. And if this color is pretty like this, I imagine the other special colors they have are probably very pretty as well. It's just for me, I don't know if I'm gonna wear it at all, honestly. It's just not my style. Like it's really giving like I'm your realtor. And then maybe if I was a realtor, I would absolutely wear this. But I am not. But otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching. Like I said, all the information about this wig will be down in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check that out if you're interested in purchasing this unit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.